Drivers. Let's talk about something that's stirring up the industrial industry. General Electric, that giant of American industry, is reshoring. That's right, they're bringing factories, warehouses, and jobs back to the United States. And if you're in the warehouse and transportation industry like we are, that's good news. So, why is GE making this move? Well, it turns out depending on overseas factories is a gamble. Shipping costs are up, supply chains are a mess, and waiting on parts from across the world, nobody's got time for that. GE's joining the pack of companies saying, let's make it here again. Now, what does this mean for us behind the wheel? Here's the deal. When GE builds and ships at home, trucks are the backbone moving everything, from raw materials to finished goods, all across the country. That means more local freight, more short-haul gigs, and more chances to sleep in your own bed at night. Plus, with new warehouses popping up, the demand for local drivers is only going up. By now, we all know that 2025 has been a tough year for trucking. Freight rates are down, jobs are tighter. But with GE opening up new facilities, we could see a surge in freight that puts more of us back on the road, right when we need it. But it's not just about jobs. This reshoring wave brings something we all want: stability. Consistent routes, stronger relationships with American businesses, and maybe even a shot at some of that new tech. Smarter logistics, cleaner rigs, better conditions. Bottom line, GE's move is more than just a headline. It's a turning point for America's supply chain and a real chance for us truckers to rev up our engines with pride and profit. With this new turning point of increase in demand for inbound and outbound freight, we will see a rise in logistics and manufacturing roles thrive in several key cities. Like in 2012, reshoring of appliance to Louisville brought 4,000 jobs and spurred over 18,000 new roles through domestic suppliers. Being close to customers improved design cycles and slashed transportation spending. So, what exactly does this mean for the transportation industry? Well, drivers, this means trucks once again will be buzzing along routes linking GE factories to local, regional, and over-the-road distribution hubs. More inbound material shipments and outbound deliveries to market centers promise higher asset utilization. This translates to steadier lanes, less downtime, and improved margins for carriers, small fleet owners, and owner-operators. Once again, stay vigilant, drivers. The general freight sector is forecasted to grow by 2034. And GE's reshoring fits directly into that narrative, where more domestic freight, upgraded efficiency, and smarter routing equates into a more prosperous economy. So, in conclusion to this brief but very important video, I will address a word I truly believe we will be hearing a lot more of in the coming days. And that's reshoring. Reshoring doesn't just create jobs, it creates opportunities. So plan now. Optimize your regional fleets, target high-margin freight and long-term contracts. Small fleet owners and owner-operators take advantage of used trucks. Strengthen rail and drayage partnerships. Adopt proactive security measures such as tracking and enhanced driver training. Monitor trade policies closely and invest in tech. And as always, drivers, stay safe.